today? We are installing, what are we installing, Ash?
We're installing the reflector lights.
Yes, he just installed the V3s yesterday, and now we're gonna go ahead and install the reflector. Get rid of these guys, and let me see the other one. Nice. We're gonna install these. So there's a cord at the end. So yeah, we'll go step by step. Oops. I didn't know that was metal. We'll go step by step. First thing you want to do is get these. He doesn't have the mud flap, so it's easy, guys. 2 screws right here, and the third one is right here. You can see it. Probably not in the camera, but it's literally under there, right here in the corner. It lines up with this. This should be right there. And yeah, we'll go ahead and do 3 screws on this side, and we'll do 3 on the other side, so same thing. Then from there, we're gonna take these with the Allen key, take this one off, and same thing on this side. And it's easy to have these pop out. Yeah, you already had them pop out yesterday.
That's how you pop one. You gotta pull this.
Yeah,
and then
it's easier, you have more space.
Yeah.
You gotta take it out completely.
Nah, I didn't take it out.
Alright, you can. But let me show you this. Look.
Oh, there you go.
See,
Yeah.
just take it off. You have a lot more room to get it. So they're already kind of loose because he took them off yesterday.
I didn't put them on.
But we didn't put them on because we knew we were gonna do that. So we'll get to it now. Alright guys, I use this tool right here. It's tiny, but it helps you guys out because you don't have to remove the wheel out. Some people take off the whole wheel just to get Phillips on this thing. Even if you do it halfway, the rest could be done just by doing it with your fingers like that. See? It's that easy. Alright guys, so we got rid of the screws here, and I'm gonna take this off with the Allen key right here. One of them will fit. Once that's done, you're gonna go under the car and take these things off, these clips right here. This one, and that's temporary stuff he had for the light, he needed it. And this one right here. So, and you don't have to worry about these in the corner ones right here. Just this one, and then that one. Alright, so all the 3 screws are done from here, from there, the sides. The next step is you kind of pull out a little bit from the corner, and you push this in a plastic piece, pry tool. And once you're in it, it just comes right out. Same time, get closer in so you have some leverage. Yeah, out. So, correction guys, come down here, let me show them real quick. There's one clip that I forgot to mention. See how that liner is holding that liner? So you just take it out from there, from the bottom. That clip, you know, the flathead, just take it off, and then this side should come off, and then we'll continue. Let me take this clip off, and then I'll continue showing the other side. Come here, it's fine. So it's tough taking that off, only because it's so much like mushy and everything. Because of the water over there. It's removable, but I don't think we're gonna have to take it off because we're only putting the reflectors on, so we'll leave it on and see if that works out. It might be easier on the driver. Yeah, and it'll be easier putting it back on too, so I'll make your life easier with that. So you just kind of pull here a bit more, and then come here on this side. You would do the same thing. You would do the same thing with that pry tool, and then I'll show you from the center piece. Alright, so the lights, he took them out. If you want to push them out, you just kind of hit it here so you don't break the clips or anything, and it will slowly come out like that. And we'll put these to a side for now since you already have the wires extended. If you don't, you just take this clip off or let it hang. So you're gonna see how the clips are right there. That's what I was talking about. So so it comes right off. See that? And I know people get scared. They're like, am I gonna break this? It takes a little bit of pressure, guys, to remove it from the back or the center area. So you just kind of pull towards you. So you kind of pull towards you and then do this side so it's even. There. And it comes right out. And remember, I didn't remove the liner from the sides. Let me show you guys real quick. See, so it's doable. Just keep that on to make your life easier. And even if you have quad tips on, it's still doable. That was a test. So all we gotta do now is take these 3 holes right here, 3 screws, and install the other ones. So once I remove this, they're fairly easy, and then we'll continue from there. Alright, so once the 3 small screws removed, you just grab it and pull out. There's no wires or nothing, no clips, it just comes right out. These are reflectors, and that's it. And put them to the side. Now the new one, can you see the new ones? Alright, so this is driver's side. That cord is gonna be on the left side. We're gonna go reuse the same 3 screws, as you can see. 1, 2, 3, and it'll fit right in. And where is it? Let me see. We'll worry about the wiring later. And again, you guys are gonna have an issue. Not an issue, but let me see if I can reach there really good. Alright, right there. So they're gonna fit in right there. You might have a slight gap. You see how that is? That's a small gap. But don't worry, you just push it in with then screw it. It will fit right in. You're gonna have extra right here, so there's barely gonna be any gap here, barely. And same thing on this side. See, you just push in a little bit, and it goes right in. It's perfect. I hope that helps you guys. We'll go to plugging in next time. Next one, next time. All right, for the tail lights, we took off the plug connector, and we're gonna take it from here now, and they're gonna have 2 of them. See that? So one goes in, one will go in the other one. So look at that. This one's gonna go there. It's like male and female. Look at that. So you go plug that in. That was the connector for the light. So you just wanna go there.
There's water in it.
Yeah. Got it? Come on. Push, bro.
I think I saw it.
There you go. Clicked in. And yeah, so this is clicked in as well. So what you want to do now is test them before you start putting things back together. And alright. There you go. It works. And now we'll go ahead and start. We'll put the headlight, the tail light back in. We decided to put the bumper back on because this way we have room to play with this excessive wire, so it doesn't get stuck anywhere. So we can pull that excessive and push them in there, or put a zip tie and put it right here, extra wire right here. Well, I'll show you guys in a few, but I'm gonna go with the bumper first. Alright, so when you place the bumper on top, make sure the clips right there, and the placement is on top of it. So you see the bumper, moved it, so it's on top. It'll go right into it, and it'll click right in that piece. It's tough to see it. I wish I could. There you go. I'll show you this one right there. See that small spacing right there? It'll go in there. This clip. So all you do is go ahead, push it in, bro. Push in this side. Yeah. Hold on. That's it. See? You smack it, it goes in. And then, yeah, so now we have room. You see this extra is not gonna go on the quad tips or anything, so it doesn't heat up or melt down. So we have all this excessive pulled up. Made it easier. Because this bumper's the reflectors are right here, so we wouldn't want the extra wiring hanging down there. And yeah, yo, come here. Let me show you. Hold the phone. Alright, so here, see the small clips? It's in. It's in too. It's holding. Yeah, that's another clip. It's gonna go over it. Oh. There you go.
It goes under here too.
Yeah. Come to plug it. Yeah, so whatever it's called.
Wait, doesn't that part goes on top here?
Right. Alright, so this clip's come on top of it. And when you pull in a little bit, pull inwards. Oh my bad. And then all these clips should go right in. See that?
Yep.
That's it, and just line it up. Make sure they're all in. And then you do reverse the process here. Put the screw back on and one in there. And the clip, we never took it out, so we'll leave that it is. That's it. And now we're gonna go ahead and work on the tail lights right here. Alright, so that's what I was talking about. Since that's in now, we could easily put in the tail lights, and we zip tied everything here. So there's no excessive hanging down. So we'll put this in the corner right there. Even if it's raining, water will go down this way. So the wiring is safe. And we'll just put it back in from this side. Push the clips in first on that side. Take the wire out a little bit this way. Alright, that's in. And now, go down a little bit. Alright, just make sure the wiring and everything is good. Alright, so it does line up. These holes line up, and make sure you don't have any gap down here as well. That's how you know when the bumper is perfectly back in and the taillight's in space, right in space. There's no gap. So then we go ahead and screw these on and screw this back on. Alright, screws are in everywhere. Don't forget about the bottom two clips. And the last piece is this. This is the pain right here. So you just have to kind of take this off so you have some space to work with. And I hope that one. Yep. There you go. Just line it up.
It's lined up, right?
Yeah. Once it's lined up like that, and then just, you know, either punch it in a little bit or kind of bend it inwards, and there's two clips that would click right in. That's it, guys. And then let's close the trunk and oh wait, zip tie. All right, I'll leave that, huh?
It's on
Hold
one
on.
of that side too.
Zip ties?
Yeah.
Where? Alright, we're gonna cut some zip ties first, and then we'll take a look at the lights. Alright, hold on. Go ahead, unlock that. And there we have it, everything works. Yeah guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so, and I hope this video was helpful. Comment below if you got any questions, and also I'm gonna put his IG in description, so if you have any specific questions, ask him. I would appreciate that. Thanks.